Jupiter, a giant among giants. The largest planet in our solar system, it dwarfs all others with its immense size and mass. A swirling storm of gas, bigger than all the other planets combined. Its great red spot, a storm that has raged for centuries, is a testament to its turbulent nature. But deep inside this massive world, hidden from our view, lies a secret. A secret that has eluded scientists and astronomers for generations. A secret that has puzzled scientists for decades. What could be lurking beneath those thick clouds and violent storms? What lies at Jupiter's core? Is it a solid mass or something entirely different? For a long time we could only guess. Our telescopes and probes provided glimpses but no definitive answers. Telescopes showed us clouds, storms, the great red spot. But the true heart of Jupiter remained hidden, shrouded in mystery. We knew it couldn't be solid rock, not like Earth. The conditions were too extreme. The pressure, the heat, they were unimaginable. Far beyond anything we experience on our home planet. Something strange was happening down there. Then came a breakthrough. Scientists began to suspect something extraordinary. Could the intense pressure inside Jupiter transform hydrogen, the simplest element, into something metallic? The idea was radical. Could hydrogen, the lightest element, become a metal? And could this strange substance be the key to unlocking the secrets of Jupiter's core? The quest to understand Jupiter continues as we delve deeper into the mysteries of this giant of gas. Hydrogen, the most common element in the universe, is usually a gas. It's light, it floats, it makes balloons go up. But under extreme pressure, hydrogen can behave in very unexpected ways. Imagine squeezing a sponge with all your might. The sponge, once full of air, becomes smaller, denser. That's what happens to hydrogen under the immense pressure deep inside Jupiter. As the pressure grows, the hydrogen atoms are squeezed closer and closer. They begin to share their electrons, just like in a metal. This creates a sea of free-flowing electrons, giving metallic hydrogen its unique properties. Let's take a journey, an imaginary plunge into Jupiter's depths. Imagine diving into the unknown, where light fades and darkness envelops you. As we descend, the pressure skyrockets, far beyond anything experienced in Earth's deepest oceans. The colorful cloud tops give way to a thick hazy atmosphere, a mysterious shroud that hides the secrets below. Deeper still, the hydrogen gas becomes denser, hotter, transforming into a state unlike anything on Earth. Thousands of miles down, the pressure is millions of times that on Earth's surface, crushing anything that ventures too deep. The temperature soars to thousands of degrees, hotter than the surface of the sun. This is the realm of metallic hydrogen, a bizarre state of matter unlike anything we experience on our planet, where hydrogen behaves like a metal. It's not a solid, not a liquid, but something in between, like a very dense fluid, almost otherworldly in its properties. It flows, it conducts electricity, it creates the most powerful magnetic field in our solar system, a force to be reckoned with. Section 4, Magnetic Masterpiece, powered by hydrogen. Jupiter's magnetic field is a giant stretching millions of miles into space. It's thousands of times stronger than Earth's magnetic field, a cosmic force to be reckoned with. And what creates this magnetic powerhouse? You guessed it, metallic hydrogen. The rapid rotation of Jupiter, combined with the swirling currents within the metallic hydrogen layer, acts like a giant dynamo. This dynamo effect generates electric currents, which in turn produce the planet's powerful magnetic field. Section 5. A Universe of Secrets, Unlocked. The discovery of metallic hydrogen inside Jupiter is more than just a curiosity. It represents a breakthrough in planetary science. This discovery has profound implications for our understanding of the universe and the formation of celestial bodies. Metallic hydrogen is thought to exist in the cores of giant planets throughout the cosmos, including Jupiter, Saturn, and exoplanets far beyond our solar system. It plays a vital role in their formation, evolution, and magnetic fields, influencing their overall structure and behavior. By studying Jupiter's core, scientists gain a glimpse into the inner workings of these distant worlds, offering clues about their past and future. And here's the thing about science: every answer leads to new questions, sparking further exploration and discovery. We're still working to understand the precise properties of metallic hydrogen, how it behaves under such extreme conditions, and its potential applications. The Juno spacecraft, orbiting Jupiter since 2016, continues to send back valuable data, enriching our knowledge with each passing day. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, still holds many secrets, waiting to be uncovered by future missions and studies. But thanks to the study of metallic hydrogen, we are beginning to unlock the mysteries of this fascinating world, one discovery at a time. And in doing so, we gain a deeper understanding of the universe we live in, expanding our horizons and fueling our quest for knowledge.